round nose pliers, cutters, flat nose pliers, snips, tweezers, scoops, reamer, storage compartments. Round nose pliers are used essentially for forming simple loops or wrapped loops. Cutters are used for cutting wire and threads. Never use these cutters to cut memory wire. Flat nose pliers are used in the first stage of making a simple loop to create a 90-degree angle necessary to form that loop. They're also extremely useful for holding pieces of jewellery. Snips are used for cutting beading thread, silk threads, or lengths of ribbon. Tweezers are perfect for handling smaller elements and teasing threads into beads. You can use your scoop to pick up small beads and place them back in the container. The reamer is used to enlarge holes in gemstones and pearls. It has a diamond dusted end, which means you can agitate it into a pearl. There are 7 storage compartments inside the toolkit. This is perfect for storing small beads or findings such as crimp beads and earring backs.